They not seeing it. I want them to see it when you turn the corner. Hey, Ryan. You see the castle? All right, Kyle. This one's for you, buddy. Let's get it. Good day, Donald. Okay, so we all got matching shirt on.
Not really.
Wow, what? Who missing?
They both supposed to be queen.
But they're the same color shirts, right? They're matching shirts still. Okay, so who are you? Who are you?
I don't know who I am.
Who are you?
That's the smart one.
Can we see your name? All we see is...
Dog.
Okay.
What happened to Doc? Who got Doc?
Dog.
That's Doc. That's Doc.
We gonna say a dog?
That's Doc.
Stop right.
Okay. Who are you? You goofy.
He's sneezy.
You goofy.
What's so goofy about you?
He's sneezy.
That's my character.
This is a good picture of you, low key. I might have to stop. Alright, anyway. Are you sure you goofy?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, we're gonna keep you there. Alright, who are you?
I'm happy.
You happy? The happy one?
I'm happy.
Okay. Brother, who are you?
Whatever shirt.
He say he grumpy.
He's the grumpy one. The grumpy one. We need to get the crybaby one. Mama, who are you? You Snow White. That's not a dwarf. Snow White's not a dwarf.
She's the leader of the dwarf.
Oh, okay. Who are you? You the bossy one? Are you the bossy one?
What's the matter with you, Savvy?
Well, hi everybody. We're so glad you can be here with us to open the park.
What a special moment! We're so happy you could join us for this magical celebration!
And now that we're all together, we've got a surprise for you. You see, when folks from around the kingdom heard you were going to be here, they decided to come and celebrate with you all day long.
You ready for the magic carpet? You ready?
Yeah. We almost there.
Are you ready for the magic carpet, girl?
It's her first ride.
This is your first ride ever.
You ready?
We didn't even get a chance to break you in at Cedar Point. You good.
You ready?
You ready?
Yes.
Are you ready? Savvy, you good back there? Oh, we're going down. Riley. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Give me some. Good job. Good job, Savvy. Give me some. Whew, it's only, every time I want to look at my watch, it don't never had a time ready. 9:24, I did. And we already got to stop and get something to drink.
We gotta get away from the stand.
It is only 81 degrees, but it's very humid out. Savage.
I'm about to just start walking.
Yeah, because
Where I'm walking to.
But then you gotta walk slowly and the kid to the right. You be halfway around the turn.
Yeah, I just want to get her away from the stand because she was already crying about it.
Y'all ready?
what?
We trying to figure out Look at that. You see that, right?
You about to get a hat. Huh?
You see that little price thing?
I can't. Where grandma at?
Yeah.
Okay.
Get it somewhere.
But they don't have none of the
Huh?
things on. They don't have the things on the tag.
The price?
Yeah, but you're supposed to look for the color, but there's no color.
I don't even know what he's talking about. You got to explain that a little bit better.
I'll show you the next one.
All right, little old lady.
What is that? Brother Bear?
The ducks ain't worried about you. Let's get this in order right now. Who's sitting next to who and who's sitting where?
Just be the girls. I'm
So we got a girl right there. The girls together. I guess Caleb's gonna be by himself as usual.
Don't make me no difference.
We gotta sit on opposite sides of the boat so we don't tip over. So I take the front and you take the back, or I take the back and you take the front.
Don't make me no difference.
So you need to make a difference.
What's your difference?
I don't care either.
Don't make me no difference.
So wherever we go, we go. Where you sitting?
In the log.
Well, of course, I know that. You better be, or you gonna be sliding down.
I can swim down there today.
You gonna be swimming down on tracks.
It's gonna be a bumpy ride.
Right. It's about to get real. I don't know what to expect. I've never been on this ride, so getting closer, I guess.
You never been on this ride?
We've never been on this ride.
I'm scared.
We made it. Oh!
Oh, Lord.
Alright, here we go. I've never seen my mom on a ride before. Especially a drop ride, so this is gonna be good.
You're looking for a landing place, they say. Looking for trouble if you ask me. Won't be a lot, baby.
Okay, it's not a drop right now.
I knew the drop wasn't coming yet. Okay. That's the drop. You ready for that? I still can't believe you on this ride. Let's see when it comes back.
That's what I be doing to him all the time.
You don't like my arms too? So you don't fall out. Because you can literally hop right out of
I can
here.
literally get out.
We can't sit next to each other on rides like this. All right, here we go. We still gotta go through the snow.
I'm about to have a heart attack back there.
Oh my God. Here we go.
Hey, you take me.
It's not the drop yet. It's not the drop.
You should have brought your purple folder. Oh, should have brought the white binder.
Good shot of the part. Woo! You ready for that? Uh-oh! 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 Y'all saw that drop? It's not a big drop.
That was a mini one, yeah. Oh, God.
Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go.
That's annoying. They're literally dragging his
I thought that was it. I thought that was it. Oh my God. All right. If you've been on Splash Mountain, that dark part, I thought that was it. I thought that was it.
Sticking your nose in the wrong.
This is it. This is it.
No, it's not.
I know. It's not. It's a small drop. Here we go. This it. This it. This it. This it. It's not it. There's a lot of drops on here. Going up. It's the real deal. It's the real deal, y'all.
There's a lot of chlorine in here.
They so scared. All right, remember y'all, the camera's gonna be on that side.
What? I'm on camera right now.
Look at that side of the castle.
That wasn't bad. Anita, I want the fan.
Dad!
Right, Dad. There's the girls.
Riley! 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 They wouldn't even see. See, you survived. No problem.
I did.
Weight wasn't that bad either. Say Gigi, are you ready? Gigi, are you ready? No going back now. You ready, Riley? That wasn't too bad, was it?
I'm gonna get you.
You gonna get me? You love shopping, no sugar.
She said her sugar is.
Oh, okay.
I do too.
Parade starting in 10 minutes. You more excited than the girls are.
For me?
Yeah.
I know. I need to go sit down.
You know she sleep.
She misses everything.
She go to sleep for everything. We got a good spot, honestly. One of the cast members was like, "Oh, you want to watch the parade?" And let us right on in. So hey, we're gonna take it. Look at that. We got a perfect spot. Oh my God! Look! Look! Say hi! Oh, Princess Tiana!
That special little lady rowing in the rowboat down the stream. Though I would discuss the glider, we're not a fighter, 'cause way down deep inside I've got a dream.
at it.
They have.
Donald? You take it past me? Say hi, Donald. Here's Daisy. Say hi, Daisy. Look, there's Goofy. Look at the mouse.